Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Tiff Benson here, and in today's video I have the most amazing unboxing for you from Dior. We're also going to talk about some gift sets. So if you're on the hunt for something new, you're looking for a gift for yourself or for someone special, you're definitely going to want to keep watching. We know the holidays are right around the corner, and it is that time to start to set a budget, start exploring some gift ideas, and also taking time to beat the holiday rush so that you make sure that you have the most special, most memorable gift this holiday season. Before we jump into the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Also, don't forget to join my email list because that is where I am when I am not here on YouTube. All my links to connect will be linked down below in the description. Let's get started. Oh my God, yes. And before I forget, I've been working really hard to bring you something special. I have a complimentary code for you to use should you decide to shop at Dior.com. If you plan on using it, you can use this code DIORXMAS to receive a complimentary gift with any purchase over $130 or more. You're welcome. But don't wait too long. The offer is only valid to December 31st. Enjoy. Can we get into this gorgeous, beautiful packaging from Dior? Just look at that box presentation. So beautiful. That's one of the things that I really like about ordering from Dior.com. They make sure that they gift wrap the package really nice. And what a treat it is to open it up. I cannot wait. Let's do that right now. I love how clean the packaging is. Ooh. The first item that I ordered were these Rouge Dior Forever Liquid Sequins, and these are limited edition. I got them in two colors. Let me show you the ones that I received. This one, which is $353. It's called Liaison. If you're curious about it, I am actually wearing it on my lips right now. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna touch it up while we're here. This is so beautiful. The color is so nice. Feels literally like velvet on the lips. It's so good. I don't know if the camera is really picking that up, but it is a dazzling liquid lip. It's highly pigmented and it's perfect for the holiday season. There's also like an ultra glittery finish to it, which is so pretty. It's perfect to add that festive touch to complete any holiday look, and I love it. I've got it customized with my name on it, which is super cute. That makes the perfect little gift stocking stuffer. I love it and I'm obsessed. I'll actually show you another color that I picked up. In the color Masquerade, it is $8.93. This is what it looks like. I also got this one customized with my name on it too because I just could not resist. I'm gonna layer this one on. This is actually a darker shade. It's a bit more dramatic, so I like that. I am totally fine with that. That is pretty. That is really pretty. Just bringing it around the outside of this liquid lip already. It is so good. I've never tried blending two together, so I'm actually kind of impressed that that worked out. Love this color. It's bold, but it's also quite wearable. And of course, because it has that glittery finish, I'm just, oof. I love a little bit of sparkle in my makeup around the holidays, and this is definitely giving that. I wanted to treat myself to these two products after seeing it pop up on my For You page many times. It's gone viral quite a bit, and I just wanted to try it out, and I'm so happy that I did. My only regret is that I didn't buy more colors because I really like the formula. I think it's very pretty and it's super elegant, and this type of makeup is right up my alley. Love it. The other gift that I picked up, gift to myself and to my home, is this right here, and I will unbox it so you can see what's inside. This is a gorgeous candle, Bois de Rêve, and I cannot wait to open it. I can already smell how fragrant it is. It smells like a fireplace. Can we just talk about the vessel for a moment? Look how beautiful the vessel is. Oh my God. You can see the gold detail on the ceramic. It is absolutely beautiful. It definitely exudes luxury and elegance, and I am totally here for it. This is a creation from head perfumer at Dior, Francis Kurkdjian. And honestly, not only does it look incredible, but you can smell the quality of this candle. Like, I'm not even burning it right now, and it has a ton of throw. I love that. I'm so happy that I got this one as a gift to myself and a gift to my home, because it really does add a touch of sophistication to any space. If you love the art of gift giving and you value the details that make gift giving special, Dior truly provides one of the most exceptional online shopping experiences around. Also too, if you're a last minute shopper like me, guilty, rest assured, because Dior.com offers 2-day complimentary shipping, and they also offer overnight shipping as well. Again, all the details will be linked down below should you be curious and want to shop. Now, if you've made it this far into the video and you're enjoying this content, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and let's move on to gift sets that I recommend you shop this holiday season. I spent some time checking through Dior.com and I found quite a bit of gift sets that I thought were really incredible gifts. Take notes, and again, everything that I mentioned today in this video will be linked down below in the description. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about gift sets that have this product, which is Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. Here's what the bottle looks like, and she is beautiful. The notes to this fragrance are, top notes are iris, peony, and lily of the valley. Middle notes are apricot, rose, and peach. And base notes are vanilla, musk, tonka bean, benzoin, and sandalwood. The first gift set that I want to share with you that has this product is absolutely stunning. Again, the packaging is very, very beautiful. And if we just turn it around to the back, it shows you exactly what's inside. And here we have a really pretty presentation of the fragrance itself, but also a travel size bottle. This is perfect for someone who is on the go and likes to carry their fragrances with them. A similar gift set I'm gonna pull up right here. Now this gift set is called the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum Holiday Gift 2024 Holiday Edition. And this is solely the Eau de Parfum in a beautiful packaging. It's really up to you what you prefer. Do you prefer to give the gift of just the fragrance alone, or this specific packaging with the travel size fragrance inside? If it's me, I'm opting for the travel size just because I'm that type of girl, but it's totally up to you and whatever you like for you or someone you love. Next gift set that I want to talk about includes this fragrance, which I have in my collection. This is Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. If you're curious about the notes, they are top notes of sweet pea and bergamot, middle notes of peony, damask rose, and base note of white musk. And if we check out the gift set on Dior.com, it is the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet Holiday Gift 2024 edition. I actually believe this is the 2023 edition of the fragrance. My bottle is actually an older bottle. I believe I got this in 2021, if I'm not mistaken. If you're looking for a fragrance that's fresh, floral, clean, this is a wonderful choice. Don't overlook this one. She is beautiful. Personally, I reach for this fragrance in moments where I want to feel fresh and sophisticated and just really clean. I love to spray this one on right after a shower. It just makes sense to me, no pun intended. Definitely give this one a try if you're looking for something that's on the more airy, ethereal side. I think you'll really love it. The next gift set that I want to talk about, I actually don't own yet, but it is certainly on my list. It is the Miss Dior Parfum and Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Holiday Gift Set 2024 edition. Now, I have not tried this fragrance yet. It's a 2024 release. The notes of the fragrance are apricot, peach and mandarin in the top notes. Middle notes are wild strawberry, floral notes, and jasmine. And base notes are patchouli, amberwood, amber, moss, and atlas cedar. I haven't tried this fragrance, so I'm curious to try it, but what I have tried is that Dior Lip Maximizer, one of my favorites of all time. Absolutely recommend that. Now, if you're buying a gift for yourself or someone who is a lip girly who adores fragrance, this is the gift set to get. I'm such a huge fan of Dior lip glosses and lip products just in general. They really know what they're doing in that department. And obviously, fragrance, of course. Last but certainly not least is this beautiful bottle. Oh my goodness gracious, how pretty is this bottle? This beautiful fragrance is J'adore Parfum Doux by Dior. If you're a floral girl, you have to give this one a try. The notes of this fragrance are jasmine sambac, green notes, magnolia, honeysuckle, neroli, and rose. The name of the gift set is J'adore Parfum Doux Holiday Gift 2024 edition. This J'adore is alcohol free, so that's super different for the brand. And if you're looking for a fragrance that's a bit more gentler on the skin, you got to give this one a try. I can personally attest to the fact that this fragrance has super long longevity. I was actually pleasantly surprised by that. She's a beauty. She is definitely a beauty, and I'm super happy to have this one in my collection. Totally worth it to try it in the gift set with the gift packaging. It would make for an amazing gift, and I actually love this one for all year round. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I truly appreciate your time spent with me here on this channel. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and the stunning gift sets available at Dior. Each one is more exquisite than the last, making it impossible to go wrong. Don't forget to use my code DIORXMAS if you're shopping on Dior.com. Just be sure to use it before December 31st. And if you know someone who loves fragrance and is looking for a little bit of holiday gift giving inspo, feel free to share this video with them. Love you forever. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.